Today, we will be discussing how to install a motor on a hand crank reel. Begin by removing the swivel. Next, use your snap ring pliers to remove the snap ring. Then, remove the 4 bolts on the base of the reel and take off the side frame. Now you're ready to use your kit, which includes the motor, gears, and chain. Make sure all the parts are included before continuing. Begin with the sprocket. Align the small holes on the sprocket with the holes on the side of the reel. Add the gear spacers between the reel and the sprocket, then secure them together using the provided nuts and bolts. Next, open your motor kit. Attach the motor to the bracket with the provided hardware. Then, attach the bracket and motor assembly to the side frame. Keep the hardware loosely assembled for now. Apply thread locker on the sprocket set screws, then loosely slide the sprocket onto the shaft. Make sure the key, which is the small metal piece, is in place and fits into the keyway, which is the slot on the shaft. Next, slide the main shaft through the hub and bushing assembly, making sure the side frame is aligned with the base. Now you can reinstall your snap ring and the 4 bolts to the base. Line up the 2 sprockets, then tighten the set screws on the small sprocket. Install the chain following the instructions in the manual. Last, remove the crank handle so it doesn't spin and cause injury. Now you're ready to use your motorized reel. For more how-to videos, visit Reelcraft.com.